Today I was labeled as a nigga. Go figure. Chewing up the hate like a small steak dinner. Living life back against the wall. I fall. Try to live lavishly until I got the call. The call was a girl that broke my heart. Oh no. Try to be a friend, but she wanna be a foe.
And I'm gonna tell you, baby, how many times I'm gonna say this. Get back to work.
Hate this job. Shit, I know my rhymes though.
What, nigga?
Chubbz, what the hell you doing here?
Shit, picking up some snacky snacks.
Always eating, but don't have no damn money.
Hook a nigga up then, shit.
Nah, I can't work with you, bro.
Alright. So you hook a nigga up, I guess I gonna be chillin'.
Hold up, bro. I could get you on, but you'll be like a cart attendant or something.
Alright, cool. I can bring it back and shit, ain't I? It's hot as hell out here, pucking these goddamn bugs. I'ma beat your ass.